Carvertical is a global vehicle history check service that helps used car buyers avoid costly mistakes by revealing a car's hidden past. It pulls data from over 900 trusted sources across more than 30 countries, including insurance databases, police records, national registries, leasing companies, auctions, and repair shops, and verifies it using blockchain technology to ensure reports are tamper proof. A typical car vertical report can uncover accident and damage history, mileage rollbacks, ownership changes, theft records, usage type, technical specs, market value comparisons, and even archive photos when available. Many users praise it for being fast, easy to read, and often more affordable than competitors, though some note that not all damages are always recorded. Overall, it's a strong tool for adding transparency to the used car market and giving buyers leverage in negotiations. So, how to use it is first, of course, open your web browser and go to carvertical.com. And then first, you will see this field here. It says VIN input. So, of course, find the VIN of the car. So, every car has a unique 17-digit vehicle identification number located on documents like the V5C logbook, registration papers, or stamped on the vehicle itself. So, enter the VIN, type it into this bar here. Car Vertical scans global databases. It checks hundreds of millions of records. Now, after that, it will tell you to purchase the report if you want to pay for the single report or a bundle. Next is you'll get a detailed, easy to read breakdown of the car's history, which you can use to decide whether to buy, negotiate a better price, or walk away from a risky deal. So basically, that's it.